Hello to everyone. I decided to do a part two to this really, really interesting journey to watch these airplanes fly right over top. I turned around and seen this massive thing fly right over my head. Wow, what an amazing experience. That is a great memory for me. I really like the airplanes. Actually, this was my first time. So we had a good day.
Yeah.
It was a clear, clear day. Just laid back, enjoyed it. A little scary at first because they're like right over top of you. I hope you enjoyed my video, everybody. Thank you for following me on the journey. Until next time, here we go. The airplanes, Maikhao Beach. I hope I pronounced that right. Have a good day, everybody. Take care.
Oh my God. It's hard to see the damn